Hello friends, very good morning. A hearty welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself, Professor M.H. Annaya. In this video, we are going to learn how to draw the projections of a pentagonal lamina which is resting on one of its sides on the line of intersection of VP and HP, with the corner opposite to that is at a height from the HP. And let's see what is the actual question we have in store for today's video. A pentagonal lamina of side 30 touches the line of intersection of HP and VP by one of its sides. So basically, it's a clear indication the lamina is resting on one of these sides on HP. So we will write down the top view of the lamina, that is a regular pentagon of side 30 such that one of the sides of that lamina is normal to VP. And friends, you can just see here, we have this pentagonal lamina of the given side, that is a 30 and we will show that distance as 30 and we are writing this lamina with one of the sides, say this side AB, normal to VP, and mark the corners as A, B, C, D and E. And friends, we will project all these to the front view and obtain the front view of the lamina, a line on XY. So at this point, I would like to tell you that whenever you have a lamina resting on HP, you will be able to see the true shape of the lamina in the top view, and its front view is going to be a line on XY. So this line, which we call as A dash, B dash, C dash, E dash, and this is D dash. So this line I have drawn here on XY represents the front view of the lamina. So initial position of this lamina is completed. Friends, we will call this distance between AB and this D as M. Is only for the purpose of redrawing the figure we are making this arrangement. This length can be measured. Now in the question it says that it lies on the line of intersection. Before that, the corner opposite to this side is AB, the corner opposite to that is D. That is at a distance of 20 above HP. So friends, I am going to mark a line here anywhere above XY at a distance of 20 millimeter from XY, and this will indicate the locus of C, locus of corner, that is D, locus of that point D, and which that has to be there. Now friends, take some point at random anywhere, mark that as A dash, B dash, and taking center A dash, B dash and length equal to M, you strike an arc, and this arc will intersect the locus of D at a point by name say D dash. So if we join these two friends, this line will represent the surface of the lamina, since it has got 5 points on it, A, B, C, E and D. This can be taken and marked here. This is C dash, E dash. Is that point? And friends, after getting the front view of this lamina, which has again got a length equal to M, this length is again equal to just M. Remember, in all the solids and also in case of the laminae, the distance or the figure number 1 and figure number 2. This is figure number 1 in the front view, figure number 2 in the front view. They will have the same measurement. So these two are the same. a very important concept to be remembered. Now friends, we have the front view when one of the side of the lamina is on HP and the corner opposite to that, that is D, is at a height of 20 millimeter. Now friends, let us obtain corresponding to this front view how the top view appears. So draw a vertical line from a horizontal line from here. This point represents A. Similarly, a horizontal line from here, a vertical line from B, the point of intersection will give you what is called point B. And remember, this distance AB is same as this, and even this will be 30. So we have got 2 points. Similarly, friends, draw a vertical line from C dash, E dash, a horizontal line from C, E and C, and you are going to get the point C and E. This is E and this point is C. Finally, D, if you pass through exactly this AB and obtain that point. So, write a horizontal line from D, a vertical line from D dash. The point of intersection will give you the point D. So, we have got all the 5 corners of the lamina. We will join them by straight line. So A to E, E to D, D to C, B to C, and A to B. So I got this top view when the surface of the lamina is inclined to HP and the corner opposite to that side is 20 above HP. Now friends, you see that the side AB on which the lamina is resting is normal to VP. This is perpendicular to VP. But it said in the problem that each side, the corner opposite 20 above HP, draw the projections of the lamina when the side on which it rests, side on XY, side when this side is on XY, when the side is on XY, that is side on HP is on XY, sides, okay, on the line of intersection is on XY. That is, we have to see that this particular side on which the lamina is resting should be on XY, should be on the line of intersection of HP and VP. This term, the line of intersection of HP and VP is XY. So friends, I have to redraw this figure here. As say this is figure number 3 and I have to redraw this such that this side AB, which is perpendicular to VP, will rest on the XY line. So friends, what I do, I have to repeat this figure here with the AB resting on the XY. So friends, you can just complete a box here, a box like PQRS. I will just mark it here. You can have a box PQRS wherein on PQ AB will be there. This is R and S. So I am going to redraw this box, rectangular box PQRS, such that PQ is on XY. So friends, I will just mark that box first. For this height, this is the length. I am going to enclose that figure in that box. This is the box you have got. PAQ. This is PQR. Yes, this box is constructed only for easy reproduction of this pentagon in the final top view. Friends, I have marked point A taking this distance. PA is equal to this. PA is equal to QB. This is Q and this is point B. I will mark it as A and B here. This is A and this is B. Exactly in the center of AB, on the other end you get D. Suppose say this point is D On PS, mark this gap, this much gap on PS, PQRS. So you can take this distance above this on P. Yes, take P. Okay, somewhere here you get. So friends, you got all the 5 points. This is A, B, C, D, and E. We will join all these points by straight line. I am going to join A to B, B to C, then C to D, then this point D to E, and A to E. Friends, we have got this figure number 3 redrawn as figure number 4. The only difference is that the line AB, or the side AB which was normal to VP, is drawn with that touching the XY line. Friends, you can obtain the final front view of the lamina. So we will start from point A. Draw a horizontal line from A dash, a vertical line, they meet here. So I will call this point as A dash. Next B, vertical line from B, horizontal line from B dash, they meet here. And that point is going to be point B dash. Then C and E will lie on this. So to get E, you have to erect a vertical from here. This is point E dash, and similarly you get point C dash here. Finally, the corner D, horizontal line from the corner, vertical line from here. The point where those two intersect is the point D dash. So we have obtained all the 5 corners of the lamina and we will join them by straight line. So we will have A to B joined, then B to C, C to D, D to E, E to A. So this pentagon represents the final front view of the lamina, and this is the final top view of the lamina. And after completing this front, let us see what are the results in the question to be found out. Draw the projections when the side is on XY that you have given and determine the inclination of the surface of lamina with HP. Any inclination to HP can be seen in the front view. So friends, this angle theta is the angle made by the surface with HP. And after construction of this line M, same as this, you can find out what is the angle made by the surface of the lamina with HP. Next, what is the angle made by the surface with VP? Friends, the vertical plane and the horizontal plane are at right angles to each other, or the angle between VP and HP is 90 degree. If theta is some value, that is the angle made by the plane with HP, and if phi is the angle made by the surface with VP, then theta plus phi is equal to 90. Theta plus phi is equal to 90 degree. So we know this theta from the figure, and phi is going to be 90 minus theta. So if this is 30, that's going to be 60. If this is 45, phi is going to be 45. And friends, this is how we have completed the projections of this pentagonal lamina, and finally you can have a check whether the solution you have got is right or wrong. Friends, one of the sides of the lamina is touching XY. So we have seen in the projection of points and also in lines. Whenever a line is on HP, it that is on XY, you will see both the front and top views on XY only on the same line. You have this edge AB resting on XY. Hence, you see the front view A dash B dash and the top view they coincide because that becomes a common edge for both top and front views. And the corner opposite to that is D, and that D is at a distance of 20 millimeter from the HP. And hence, what is the solution we have got? is completely correct. Friends, I hope the presentation on this lamina is interesting, and please go through the complete video without skipping any part of the video in between. And if you like this video, don't forget to share this information about my video and also about my YouTube channel link, that is Engineering Drawing and Machine Design by Dr. MHA. Thank you, friends, for watching my YouTube video. Have a wonderful day.